Hey, today I'm going to talk about which state should you file your LLC or corporation in. Hey, my name is Dan Wynn, and I'm a business attorney in Orange County, California. And today I want to talk about a question I get pretty frequently. It's, hey, someone told me I should file in another state. Most of my clients in California, but I do have clients all over the country. And in California, there is an $800 annual franchise tax that every business, every LLC and corporation must pay to the California Franchise Tax Board. And it's really just the kind of the cost of doing business in California. So a lot of people try to avoid that franchise tax by trying to form in another state. And I'll tell you why that doesn't work nearly all the time, because if you are physically located in California and you run the business in California, California says, hey, you're managing that business in California and you owe us the $800 annual franchise tax. So if you try to file another state like Texas or Wyoming or Delaware, but you are physically located in California, the California is going to require you to file or register that it's called foreign LLC in the state of California as doing business out of California, and you're subject to the California franchise tax. So the general rule is basically file where you're physically located. That kind of helps you avoid having to form another or having to register that entity into another state as a foreign LLC or foreign corporation. Now, what if it's kind of the risk? What if I'm in California and I need to register in another state? So it really kind of depends on the state's rules. So my most recent two cases was they are California residences and they are doing business in Texas and in Illinois. So for Texas, we looked at the statute and said, yeah, based on what you were doing, you do have to file a foreign LLC in the state of Texas. So in this particular case, they had real estate property, investment property. Now, Illinois is a little bit different. We looked at the statute there, and basically it says, hey, if you own real estate but nothing more, then you don't have to register as a foreign LLC. So again, just look at each state. If you're not sure, reach out to an attorney to help find the answer for you to see if you're required to register in the state. But again, the general rule here is file the LLC or corporation where you're physically located. That's a good rule of thumb to follow. You really can't go wrong with that. All right, so this is Dan talking about LLCs, which state to file in, which state to file your corporation in. And if you need help filing your LLC corporation, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. We'll talk to you soon.